This is a forensic extraction file created by MSAB XRY software. It contains data dumped from a seized mobile phone. You need the proprietary XRY Reader to view the evidence. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic XRY corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. XRY files are digital forensic extraction report files generated by MSAB XRY, a professional mobile device forensics tool used by law enforcement and corporate investigators. They contain extracted mobile device data, including call logs, messages, contacts, media files, app data, GPS locations, and device information in an encrypted secure format. XRY report files use MSAB's proprietary, encrypted, container format, ensuring chain of custody integrity for extracted mobile device evidence. The format stores structured data tables, multimedia files, device identifiers, and extraction metadata with digital signatures to verify report authenticity and prevent tampering. For full editing functionality, XRY requires Cellebrite XRY, which is supplied by Cellebrite. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows cannot render protected content, so decoding relies on appropriate security software. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the XRY file and hit Open With. Use Cellebrite XRY if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If your XRY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Given the proprietary nature of this XRY file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening an XAMN, install MSAB XAMN, the companion analysis application for XRY extraction reports. Open the XRY file in XAMN to browse extracted device data organized by category including communications media files, installed applications, location, history, and device information with timeline and relationship visualization tools. Next, using XRY Reader. Download the free MSAB XRY Reader for basic viewing of XRY report files without requiring a full XAMN license. The reader displays extracted data in a simplified interface, suitable for reviewing evidence or sharing reports with legal teams who need to examine mobile device extraction results. Finally, exporting report data. Within XAMN export, the XRY report data to PDF, HTML, XL, or XML formats for inclusion in legal proceedings or investigative reports. Use the filtered export options to generate targeted reports containing only relevant data categories such as specific date ranges, communication types, or contact-related evidence. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.